Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about H2 burner for Bakers Pride Part #L5114A. The H2 burner for Bakers Pride Part #L5114A is a replacement part for commercial ovens. It is designed to provide a consistent and reliable flame for baking applications. The H2 burner is made of stainless steel and features an adjustable air shutter to control the amount of air entering the burner. This allows the user to adjust the flame size and intensity to suit their needs. The burner also has a pilot light that can be lit manually or with an electronic ignition system. The H2 burner is designed to fit Bakers Pride Part #L5114A ovens, BU. This part fixes the following symptoms. This burner is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning burner in a Bakers Pride oven. It can help to fix issues such as uneven heat distribution, poor flame quality, and low heat output. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unboxing the H2 burner and all of its components. 2. Remove the existing burner from the oven and disconnect any wiring or gas lines connected to it. 3. Install the new H2 burner in its place, making sure that it is securely mounted and level with the oven floor. 4. Connect the gas line to the inlet on the side of the burner, using a pipe wrench to tighten it securely. 5. Connect any wiring that is necessary for proper operation of the burner, such as a thermocouple or spark igniter, if applicable. 6. Turn on the gas supply. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.